Avocado, bacon and egg 10 minutes breakfast. Sear bacon in low heat.
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back.
Preheat oven to 180 Celsius. After frying the bacon, place it on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Then chop it into small pieces.
Babe, I just wanna go back to how it was.
Cut avocado in half.
Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies.
Scoop out a bit of the avocado to make space for an egg, which we'll add in later.
We rediscover, baby, what it was. Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic.
Place the avocado and egg in the oven for 9 minutes and 40 seconds.
Why we never got it back, baby. It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial flight, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe.
After baking, top it with the chopped bacon from
Go
earlier.
back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day.
Sprinkle a bit of sizzle.
Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest,
Now it's time to
it was
taste the
just
result.
a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe. If you miss me, just
This
say
dish
hi,
is super
babe.
easy, super quick, and nutritious. If you like it, give me a thumbs
I don't
up.
deserve what you